Hey y'all, it's me back at it with another video. Y'all know I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So I have some special for you guys, but you know what we always do first is we pray before we get into the itinerary, before we get into the lesson, before we get into trying something. So I'm gonna pray. So Father God, I thank you God for today. God, I pray God that people will see you and not see me. God, I pray God that it will taste good. I'm gonna try, and I thank you Father for it. In Jesus' name, amen. So yes, I'm gonna be trying something new. I'm not sure if it's new to you guys, but I kept seeing it on Instagram and I was like, yo, I gotta try this. And then also, I didn't have it in my area, so I finally found it at the gas station, Snapple. Snapple had these new flavors. They had this one, it's called Elements Air, Prickly Pear, and Peach White Tea. You guys can see right there. That's what it looks like. And they have the Elements of Rain, Agave Cactus drink. Right there. And they had Fire, Dragon Fruit. So that's it right there. I'm kind of nervous about these guys. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I can hold it for you guys all together. Probably not, but here's these two. So we're gonna taste it. I got a glass. Let me clear my palate some more. Alright, I'm gonna try this one first. It smells interesting. Alright, here's my glass. Oh snap, this looks like water. Y'all see that? Wow, okay. Oh god, this tastes good. It's pretty good. It's alright. It's giving me good vibes. Okay. Now let's try this one. Peach. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna pour it a little bit back in there because I just want to taste it. You don't have to give it that much. That's good. Okay. I'll taste it. It tastes like green tea. Okay. I'll try this one. Oh, I still got one. Hold up. Okay. That's the dragon fruit one. Let's. Oh, there we go. I'll put the top back on. That's what it looks like. It's red. This one, it's alright. Kind of tastes like medicine. This is okay. Kind of giving me a green tea kind of vibe. This one just tastes like flavored water. The air one. This one, green tea. This one tastes like medicine. So, I mean, the air one, the new refreshing. It is really refreshing, especially the agave one, cactus one. I didn't even know you could drink cactus stuff, but it's really good. You should try it. I got it at the gas station, so go out and try it. And that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to try those because I saw those, like, waiting for them to come out, and they finally came out. Once again, they're called the New Light and Refreshing All Natural Snapples Elements. There are Fire, Air, and Rain. Go try those. Alright. Oh, I get it again? Yes. Maybe not the dragon fruit one. I gotta taste it out and drink some more. And also, guys, I have a few announcements. Now I got Kingdom merch, Kingdom X merch. I got children's shirts out now. The link will be below. Also have adult merch as well. The merchandise are t-shirts, and the t-shirts come in all sizes, and only the king and queen shirts are for adults. The rest of the shirts, you can get them in children's sizes. You can see everything on a link down below. I'm also an author. My book is called Overcoming the Journey by Out of Mind. Be sure to get your book and support your girl. Thank you guys for tuning in. Also, comment down below if there's anything you want me to try, any topic you want me to talk about. I'm open here to talk about anything. I'm willing to try new things, try new foods. You know, I love food. You guys see my videos. I like trying new food, trying new drinks. I talk to you guys, encourage you guys sometimes too. So let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And follow me on Instagram at XSDX. Follow me on TikTok as XSDX1. All the links will be down below to get the merch and my book as well. And my social media apps. God bless. See you guys until next time. Peace.